riders, it's Josh from CycleHunters.com. Today, we are checking out this really raucous, bad, mean, street machine 2014 Superduke KTM 1290. Now, this thing has some really cool things to talk about, but first off, you can tell this is an upright sport style machine. It's not a sport bike where you can lay over on it and have the big wind protection up front, so you don't really see any of that. This is a standard, basically. This is a high-end Hooligan masterpiece. These pretty much kind of set the standard for this segment of bikes. Upright Hooligan, standard, whatever you want to call them, super street, sport style bikes, doesn't matter. They all kick butt and they are a lot of fun and it's beautiful. So, real quick, 2014 was one of the first years that KTM stuck a single-sided swing arm on the bike. Pretty neat. This is primarily a stock bike. The levers, I think, are a little bit of a different lever because they're the adjustable style. No, maybe not. They do look. No, those are regular. Those are Brembo levers. Anyway, so as we get into this, you'll see. Hey, look, beautiful bike. It's KTM orange, black, and white. It's got the racing style motif. Very clean, black, gloss wheels. Your brakes, you have the twin disc up front with the radial mounted 4-piston calipers. The Brembo calipers, those are 320 millimeters. This is also, so you know, a 2-cylinder, 4-stroke. This is a 75-degree angle, not a 90 like a Ducati would be, but it's a 75-degree V-twin, liquid-cooled, 1,301 cc's. It's a pretty powerful bike at 180 horses at 8,870 RPM, and it puts down about 106 foot-pounds of torque, and that's claimed at 6,500 RPM. 0 to 60 in 2.46 seconds. That's enough to knock your socks off for sure. Your rear suspension's the 48 millimeter WP, and your front is the the front is the 48 millimeter WP, and that's the inverted fork, fully adjustable. The rear's the WP single-sided swing arm shock. You got it right there. That is adjustable as well. Rear, you got your single disc brake with your 2-piston caliper. Brembo as well. Again, single-sided swing arm. Steel tubular trellis frame. Say that one quickly. But that's something that, you know, a lot of the manufacturers, back when Ducati was making bikes, that was kind of the way to be. A lot of these companies are starting to go twin spar, aluminum chassis, all basically, you know, Delta box style from your standard sport bike style frames for the most part. And these are very rigid frames. They're made to be that way so that they can take a lot of speed and punishment in the corners. And really the idea is, you know, faster lap times on those things. But this is a more of a fun bike. So there's a little bit of a blemish right there. A little bit right there. Not a ton, but there's a couple. It's a used bike. You're going to have some of this stuff. So on these machines, some of that stuff, you know, you'll see a little bit right there. But for the most part, that's really it. It's pretty much a stock example. And that's what you got. A lot of meat on the tires, front and rear. It's just going to be an awesome bike to ride for anybody that's looking to have that Hooligan experience. This is definitely that experience, without question. Gorgeous bike.
When we service your bike, we hand you a key, not a need to have a toolbox. How about that?
All right, thanks, boys. Let's start her up. Oh, yeah. Stock exhaust, so it's not going to have that raucous growl that you would normally associate with these twin-cylinder motorcycles. But you can tell. Look at it twisting. That's the torque. That's that internal torque. I don't know if you can see it really, but yeah, it's twisting up the bike a little bit because it just wants to go. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, if you've ever ridden the twins, it is a thing of beauty. Let me just tell you what, when you crank that, especially on something if you've uncorked it and got an exhaust on it, the smile on your face does go from ear to ear instantaneously, without a doubt. Without a doubt. You can see over here, lets you know that your kill switch is off. Flip that, goes back on, you go back to your original information on your screen. But as far as any of that goes, it's almost pretty much a rudimentary system of the way that they present the traction control and all that stuff. It's not some, you know, big TFT screen like they do now. It's actually kind of nice because it's very simplified. There's not a whole lot that you got to look at and find. It's right there in front of your face. Iconic light, kind of looks like General Grievous. I've always thought KTM, if they were in Star Wars, it would be General Grievous's bike for sure. It does have that angular kind of a look going on, but it does have that blade kind of a feel to it. It just has that very precision groove happening. It just looks it. These are great bikes. Now, every one of our bikes comes with a 48-point checklist. We go through them to make sure that when you get it from us, it's as right as it can be. Oil filter, it's basic. If the bike needed it, it got it. We put a battery tender lead on everyone so that when you're done for the day, you just bring your bike into the shop or into your garage, whatever, plug it in, leave it, you're good to go. So again, oil filters, basic stuff. If the bike needed it, it got it. We're really particular about this stuff, and we just want to make sure that when you get a bike from cyclehunters.com, you're just jumping on the thing, starting it, and enjoying it. Here's rear brake. This is going to be left turn signal. Here's right turn signal. Oh. Right turn signal. This is going to be right front. Left front. Might have to start it up again for the high beam. Well, there's your flash. So, yeah, we're going to have to do that, which I don't mind doing. Here we go. So there's your headlight when the bike's on. High beam, low beam, high beam, low beam. Woo. And again, that's foot and brake. Well, there you have it. This is just one of those bikes. Now, if you're a seasoned rider, you can have, you know, you've got a little bit of experience where power isn't going to scare you. These are powerful machines. They have some grunt to them because of that down low torque. These bikes are not for anybody that is a beginner. I don't think so, unless you're a very big person and maybe you've ridden dirt bikes before. But these bikes on this level are for the more seasoned rider who is looking for a little bit more of a spirited ride, something that's going to be able to, you know, be on the highway in the top gear at a very low RPM. This is going to have legs for every day, every situation. It is not for the faint of heart. Again, if you're a new rider, this is something you want to aspire to. This is something that you would want to ride eventually, because the feeling that you get on a machine like this is unlike anything else. It's almost really an impossible thing to explain to anyone. You see the 1290 under there. It's just kind of cool. So if you're digging this beautiful 2014 KTM 1290 Superduke, give us a call. 717-273-1809. Now listen, you can see the full list of our current inventory at www.cyclehunters.com. cyclehunters.com. You can email us at cyclehunters@gmail.com. We do have financing options available. We can ship bikes, we can deliver them. It is just a matter of what do we need to do to help accommodate you so something like that beautiful KTM can be in your garage, ready and waiting for you on a beautiful sunny day to brighten your day, put a smile on your face, and just go enjoy riding. Man, that's a great bike. I can't wait. All right, well, you know how it works. Until the next bike, my friends. Happy riding.